everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. I will be posting the links to their channels in the description box down below, along with the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23. Tablescape Tuesdays is an open invite collaboration, so if you're interested, chime in. Well, guys, my tablescape is called Pumpkins Here, Pumpkins There. Pumpkins, pumpkins everywhere. Okay, guys, I'm being crazy today, but look, why I have so many pumpkins? I don't even know why I bought all these pumpkins. You know, this is even not all of the pumpkins. I still have pumpkins in the totes downstairs and pumpkins and other arrangements. But I guess I like pumpkins evidently because I keep buying them. But I like these pumpkins in particular because they have different textures, which makes the table interesting. So we have some glitter pumpkins, cloth pumpkins, rope pumpkins, velvet pumpkins, metal pumpkins, pumpkins here, pumpkins there, pumpkins everywhere. Anyway, you gotta be silly sometimes. So I'll tell you a little bit about this tablescape. The vase I've had for quite some time, and I got this vase from Pier 1 Import when it was open. This vase is so pretty, guys. I used it last year in some tablescapes, and I put the warm light fairy lights inside and included some pumpkins there as fillers. And then this faux fall floral arrangement I took from another vase and just placed it here in this vase just to give a different look. Some of the new things that I have on this table, I would say here, well, there's just two. I'm looking around, it's just two. So recently I bought these placemats from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I did a haul on these, so you have to go back and double check me because we all go to different stores and sometimes we all can be sure about where we pick certain things up, or sometimes we can, but I got these, I believe, from Hobby Lobby, and I thought these were really pretty because they just kind of blend in so nicely with everything else. And these napkins, these cloth napkins, I got them earlier this week from Target, as well as these roped pumpkins. I had those at the beginning of the season. I think Target started displaying them, I would say, maybe the beginning of September, late August. So I picked up a few of these, and all the Targets are set up the same. So when you first come in, they usually have this size braided pumpkins. And then when you walk to the back, they have some of the slightly larger braided pumpkins back in Home Decor. And I kind of fell in love with those braided pumpkins because of the natural look about them. So I said, since I have so many pumpkins, let me just go ahead and try to display them. But I thought this table really turned out nice. I love these fall vibrant colors, guys. I'm like totally obsessed with them. They are so pretty. And they blend in so nicely with that fall arrangement that I have in the background back there. So I thought this really turned out. This is like fall vibrant colors on steroids, guys. But anyway, so look, if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. I I appreciate you guys watching my video until the end. I really, really do. A big smooches to you guys for stopping by my channel today and checking me out. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. And until the next time, buy some pumpkins, y'all. Until the next time, bye-bye.